How to save WhatsApp audio on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. Once you're here, navigate to the chat containing the audio file you wish to save. Inside the chat, locate the voice message and long press on it to bring up a context menu. From here, tap on the forward option. This will prepare the message to be shared. Next, tap on the share icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. The share icon opens the iOS share sheet, providing various options. From the share sheet, tap on Save to Files as shown. Choose the desired folder where you want to store the audio file, such as Downloads. Finally, tap on Save in the top right corner to complete the process. The audio file is now successfully saved in your selected folder within the Files app. Following these steps, you can easily save WhatsApp audio on an iPhone.